Hey y'all, what is that? Looky, looky. What truck is that? Is that a freight truck pulling up? Is that a freight truck, y'all? What is that? Hey, freight truck. Do y'all see freight? What y'all think on that truck? What y'all think on there?
If you already a subscriber, thank you for coming on back. If you are new, kick off your shoes, relax your feet. You all are always welcome in my house. You are the company that never has to leave. Hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stay here and craft with me.
What is it? What do y'all think is on the truck? I don't know if I should be recording this way or that way, but either way, I'm recording, okay? In my recording era, it's here. Let me see that y'all guess what it was. Let me see that y'all guess what it was. Who guessed it? Who guessed it? I don't even know if it's gonna tell y'all what it is on the box, but hey, we gonna find out. Y'all gonna find out when I find out, okay? I already know what it is. I already know what it is, but do y'all know what it is? Huh? What? What? Did you guess right? Did you guess right? Did y'all guess right? There's my new baby. I'm so proud to have her. Look, y'all, look. She's here. Did you take the top ones off first? I think you took the top ones off first and then took the bottom ones off. Y'all see it? Unboxing the embroidery machine. I think that's the stand. I think they took the stand out first. How you They little pallet jack must have been broke because why is leaning?
Yeah. No, they put that metal part up in there, kind of a little bit high, so when they slide that forklift up on it.
Yeah.
You wanted it in the house?
Yeah. So we probably take the stand out first and then take this part last.
See the little black screw? That's to hold it. Good gracious, one more. Okay, you gonna have to get that out loosen that one now. Come and get that side here, Ray. My hand kind of messed up. Unless you get some hot ply. You see it up under there? Right here, right? Right here. You see that black? Come on over. Come on up. Yeah, you see that there?
Yeah, them gonna need some wire pliers.
These white pliers on him.
Yeah.
The white pliers.
Though?
On your end?
Huh? It's alright.
I ain't feeling it. I just lift it up. Okay. Come on with first, Lee. You want to lift up? You want to lift up? That's good.
How?
Just lift it up like that, though. See it? Gosh, son of a bitch.
Want me to hold some up?
Where's it still stuck at?
He already exercised his hands.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right at the bottom of the legs, right now. See it? Oh, yeah.
lightweight. Okay, lightweight.
Kind of like.
Right side. Right side. That's what you think.
It ain't breaking, man. It did a little sweat, huh?
Well, already this way.
Yeah.
Finally, she's home. All right, there's my baby in all of her glory. So now I am going to remove the covering off of the screen and take all the rest of the plastic off. And then I'm going to thread her. And then I'm going to show y'all the accessories that came with her. Like I already got the cap frame already attached to it. But I'm going to thread her and show y'all the rest of the things that came with her. And then we'll be done. Okay, so now I'm just taking all the plastic off the machine. Just removing it from everywhere and reading the tag that was on it. Right here, I'm just removing the cover off of the screen. Yeah, taking the QR code off. It gives you instructions on how to get help if you need it, how to contact the company. And now I'm about to plug it up into the wall. I was gonna thread it, but then I changed my mind. I decided to do that part off camera and show what came in the box instead. Okay, y'all, so first let's see what we have here for the bob machine, and then I'll do the threading. So if you see that right there, these are hoops. And these are what came with the machine. These are the standard hoops that came with the machine. But we won't be using those right now because I like the mighty hoops, of course. And these are some handrails I need to put on the machine, I'm assuming. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do with those. It's two of them. They may go on there for the hoops to go on, but I'll get those put on. These were just the wheels to put on the machine. They've been open already. Had little screws, Allen wrenches, or whatever that come with those. This is the flash drive to program the machine. This whole little toolbox came with it, so we've been using it along the way to put the machine together. And the stand. So yeah, it comes with all your little tools. It has some needles in here. Pliers. A wrench, screwdrivers, all the things. Well, that's a big Allen wrench. Alright, so that's all the tools that came in here for your machine going forward to help you fix it if it breaks down or put it together when it comes, child. But I'm gonna need this flash drive. And we got this box. If I can open it, where do I open it? Look like I'm just gonna cut across the top because, yeah, I don't know. Don't judge my fingernails, y'all. I know they still got hair dye on them. I normally polish them to cover the hair dye up. It's been on there for about 3 weeks now. And I put polish on them to cover it up, but I think by me doing it, when I take a shower and stuff, it's stopping the water from hitting the dye and making it come off. So I'm gonna start covering up for a couple of days. So hopefully the dye will wash off eventually. Yeah, I know it's a better way to open this, but I'm tired of trying to figure it out. Okay, so yeah, we got a hat frame. Not sure which one is what because it is one on my machine already, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna figure this out. And it's another hat frame. But we'll make more videos once I figure this part out. It looks like we got are these more hoops? More hoops. So it looks like we got 2 sets of hoops, y'all. 2 sets of hoops that came with the machine. Okay. So this box I did open already because I had to get to see what the embroidery thread was to thread my machine. So let me show you what came in here. You got some bobbins, pre-wound bobbins, 30 puff foam, the operation manual right there. The thread card to show you what color thread they have in the Rich World selection right there. And looks like a Rich World catalog. I guess it shows you all the machines they have. Yeah, different embroidery machines. Mighty hoops. And last but not least, cutaway stabilizer right there, 12 by 12 individual pieces, a 50 pack. All right, cool. So we'll put all this back. Of course I like magnetic bobbins, but I might test these out. I don't know. Because I don't think these are magnetic. All right. And these, they sent me these because I didn't need the hooping station and all of that from Mighty Hoops. So I just got these instead. So, and I like to use these in place of the ones that came with the machine because they are magnetic. And these did come separate. They didn't come with the machine. They came separate, but they gave them to me. And they just had to ship from a separate location. So I got these separate. So that's our 5x5 Mighty Hoop. These are the brackets right there. This is our 4.25 by 13 mighty hoop for the sleeves or sleeve or whatever you want to do with it. But I want to do sleeves. And here we have our 13 by 16 mighty hoop right there. But I'm confused. Hold on. Oh, okay, I see. I'm confused. What the back part is? They already snapped to them, so you just have to pull them apart. Okay. And just thank you cards for your purchase in there. So we got our mighty hoops right there. And oh, there's one more hoop that was just laid in the box that came with the machine as well. And it's this one. This is the 13 by 19, I believe. It's huge, y'all. It's really huge. So yeah, that's our unboxing. So I'm gonna go finish threading this machine, and then hopefully we can get to stitching something out on it. Thank y'all.
Thanks for joining me today. Every like, every comment helps dreams come true. Thanks for vibing with me. And remember, God still cares for every one of you and I.